Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 audio mixers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, FreeBoss SMR8. Specifications. Brand name, FreeBoss. Type, mixers. Model number, SMR8. Channel, 4 mono plus 2 stereo. Channel EQ, 3 band. Effects, 16 DSP and delay. Phantom, 48 volts DC. Bluetooth function, yes. The item number 2 is Leador MG07. Specifications. Brand name, Leador. Model number, MG07. Certification, CE, FCC, RoW HS, UL. Power, 12 watts. Frequency range, HE, 20 HE 20 explicit or -0. 5 decibels. Dimension, LXWXH. 32.2 by 23.4 by 3. 7 centimeters. Power supply, AC 100-240 volts AC. Usage, portable audio player. Material, metal. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Van EQ Sound Mixer. Specifications. Brand name, FreeBoss. Origin, Mainland China. Type, mixers. Model number, AGTD6. Effects, 99 DSP effects. Channel, 4/6 channels. Function, Bluetooth, USB play, and record. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.